Pinch.
He put a pinch of herbs on his food.
Sift.
Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture.
Break.
She is breaking an egg into a bowl.
Knead.
I knead the dough for the bread.
Melt.
The ice cream is melting.
Peel.
Please peel a potato for cooking.
Roll out.
Roll out the dough again into a rectangle.
Spread.
Please spread some butter on this slice of bread.
Fry.
She is frying a fish for dinner.
Drain.
I drain the pasta, then I share it between 2 plates.
Pour.
Don't pour hot water into the glass, or it will crack.
Mash.
She is mashing the potatoes.
Chop.
I need to chop the tomatoes for the dish.
Squeeze.
Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish?
Slice.
Would you like another slice of pizza?
Grate.
Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl.
Boil.
The water is boiling.
Steam.
The kettle is steaming on the stove.
Grill.
Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side.
Roast.
She is roasting the chicken.
Blend.
Blend all the ingredients together.
Bake.
We are baking bread in the oven.
Add.
I like to add milk to my coffee.